So I've always been interested in being involved in some aspect of healing, and some aspect of, and a career that involved relationships with people. And whether it was my early time in college when I was contemplating a career in theater, or later when I ultimately got a degree in psychology, I realized that human interaction was going to be a big part of what I did. And then as I got more involved in psychology in college, I became interested in research that focused on the biology of stress. And that ultimately brought me to endocrinology and stress hormones, and then most recently to the adrenal gland, which is the master regulator of the stress response. My passion for medicine, I think, is really twofold. One is the quest for scientific truth, which is my love of science and figuring out problems. And then two really is the desire to make a difference on the planet. A desire to make a difference through helping people, whether it is by helping them as they're going through a particular crisis, or through the discovery of a new molecule involved in a disease, and ultimately finding a new treatment. By the nature of what I do in a day or in a week, which is clinical care, teaching, and research, affords me the opportunity to develop deep, meaningful relationships with people, patients in this case, because I see patients one day a week, but they travel from around the world to see us. You can't see a patient from Hong Kong for 10 minutes. You have to spend time with them. And it's unavoidable if you spend time with patients, you will become engaged.